If someone can see your WordPress site's directory structure, they can see all your site and files. That's a big security risk. In this video, I will show you how to disable directory browsing in less than 2 minutes. Let's lock it down. First, go to this link and check your directory is enabled or not. I will paste this link in the description below. So, as you see, my directory is open. So now, I will disable it. Go to htaccess from your website's backend and paste this code here. Paste this code in bottom of the code so that the code will work. And click Save Changes. Then go to your website and click the refresh button. Let's see. Boom. It's not showing right now. So I will paste it again. I will go to my home page. Then I will paste the link here again. Yes. So if you need anything else, just comment below. And if you need security issues, let me know.